If you're stuck with the iPhone Unavailable No Erase Option error, this video will show you how to fix it in no time. Fix 1. Fix iPhone Unavailable with iPhone Passcode Genius. First of all, you must install iTunes on your computer in advance. Go to download and install iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius on your PC. Then launch the software. Click the Unlock Lock Screen option. Click the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put it into recovery mode. Click the Next button to continue. The software will detect your device model automatically. Click Download button to download the firmware package. You should pay attention to the notices. Click the Unlock button to begin unlocking. Finally, your iPhone passcode is removed and all data on iPhone is wiping off. Fix 2. Use iCloud to fix iPhone Unavailable without erase option. Here you need to make sure that Find My iPhone function has been enabled on the unavailable iPhone before it becomes unavailable. Go to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Go to click on Find My option. Sign in with your Apple ID again. Choose your unavailable iPhone. Click on Erase this device option. Click OK and you will get an erased iPhone. Fix 3. Use Find My app to fix iPhone Unavailable error. Open the Find My app. Click Devices. Sign in your Apple ID. Select your locked iPhone from the list. Click on Erase this device option. Click on Erase. Sign in your Apple ID. Fix 4. Use iTunes to reset unavailable iPhone without Apple ID. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put it into recovery mode. Open iTunes. Click the Restore button. Hit on Restore and Update button to go ahead. Click the Next and then the Agree button. In no time, iTunes start downloading the latest iOS on your device. And it will be installed after downloading. When the process ends, your iPhone will be restarted and display the Hello screen. That's all there is to today's topic.